Without a doubt, the Glock pistol was a game changer in the United States firearms industry. For the first time, a polymer frame, a plastic gun, if you will, or partially plastic, took the American public by storm because the gun was designed to work really well. It brought innovation in the area of materials, and it's just been, like I said, a major game changer in this industry. But it still can use some significant improvement, and we're going to talk to you about that. I'm Gene Kelly, president of the American Gunsmithing Institute, and I have with me Master Pistolsmith Gene Shuey, who will show you how to customize Glock pistols. Gene, tell me what areas that you would recommend improving on the Glock pistol.
All right. There are four major areas that I'd improve the Glock. Here's what they are. One is the sights. We can go fiber optic sights, night sights, or adjustable sights. The next is the Glock barrel. It's a polygon rifle barrel, and they can only shoot full metal jacket bullets, whereas a cut rifle barrel can shoot anything else. The next thing is the trigger. The American market loves a good trigger. They like a short travel, and they like a crisp trigger and a light trigger. This is also shown on the course. The last thing, which is one of the more major things, is the grip. The grip is not very shooter friendly. So what we do is redesign the grip to shape it for the customer's hand. Secondly, the polymer becomes slick, and we put a different type of finish on it. And this is also covered in the course.
Absolutely, Gene, you're really right. Those four areas you can really enhance on the Glock pistol. And we show you all of that in the Glocksmithing course. However, before we even get into that, we teach you complete design and function using a cutaway Glock pistol. So that way you understand all the interrelational aspects of the internal parts and how the gun actually functions. Then we take you through a complete disassembly and reassembly down to the very last part. That way you'll be confident in how to work on the gun before you even start working on the customization. If you'd like to be a Glocksmith and really improve Glock pistols for yourself or for your customers, watch this.
Do you want your Glock pistol to be truly one of a kind? Then Volume 1 and 2 of Building the Custom Glock are just the ticket. In Volume 1, Master Gunsmith and renowned action shooting competitor Gene Shuey takes you step by step through the four areas of building a custom Glock: the barrel, the trigger, the sights, and the frame. First, he discusses barrel options from drop-in to gunsmith fit. Then he installs a custom drop-in barrel. Now it's time for trigger work. He shows you trigger parts and options and then performs a complete trigger job step by step using his exclusive method. Next come the sights. Gene reviews a wide representation of styles and types and discusses the pros and cons of each. He also demonstrates sight installation using different tools and methods. Now for the frame. Not only does Gene discuss replacement parts, he also shows you how to install a 1911 style safety. Then he teaches you his proprietary method for contouring the frame and enhancing the grip. He finishes up with even more options and accessories, including 22 and 50 caliber conversion units.
Well, I hope you realize that was just a taste of what we cover in Volume 1 on customizing Glock pistols. We show you barrels, sights, frame modifications, trigger jobs, everything. All the different choices that you can make so that you can build the custom Glock pistol of your dreams. You know, Shuey, what I love about the way you teach is you teach everything step by step, how they choose the different parts and how they do each of the procedures.
Absolutely. I want them to follow it step by step so they can achieve the same results, professional results, I may add, that I give my customers.
If you want to be a Glocksmith, if you want to build beautiful custom Glocks, this is the course for you. Now watch in Volume 2 as we take it to the next level. Check it out.
In Volume 2, Building the Custom Carry Glock, Gene covers the same 4 areas with different options and performs extensive custom work on the slide. He shows you how to check and fit your custom barrel, performs a trigger job start to finish with more custom options, once again contours the frame, and then creates a custom enhanced grip. Once the frame is complete, he begins extensive custom work on the slide by beveling the edges, milling a sight track, and cutting racing stripes. Next comes the final finishing. Next, he discusses other finishes and coatings, shows you even more accessories, and finally presents the finished custom pistol. What you've just seen is merely a taste of the hundreds of tips, tricks, techniques, methods, options, and accessories covered in these 2 courses. After you watch Volume 1 and 2, you will be able to build your own unique Glock that performs and looks fantastic.
So what did I tell you? Volume 2 really takes it to the next level. Look at this gun. Does that look anything like a run-of-the-mill Glock? I don't think so. Shuey, that's just beautiful.
Exactly. This is truly a one-of-a-kind custom Glock. As a beginner, following this course step by step, you can achieve the same beautiful results.
Absolutely, Shuey. And guys, that is what we're all about. The American Gunsmithing Institute is committed to preserving the gunsmithing arts. And we teach all of these trade skills step by step, giving you everything you need to know. So if you want to become a Glocksmith and build beautiful Glock pistols for fun or for profit, this is the course for you. So enroll now and take advantage of this special offer. Well, if you're ready to be a Glocksmith and build beautiful Glock pistols like Master Pistolsmith Gene Shuey, then this is the course for you, and it's time to get enrolled and become a Glocksmith as certified through the American Gunsmithing Institute. In 17 hours of video instruction, you're going to learn everything there is about Glocks, including complete disassembly and reassembly, so you're totally confident in taking that gun apart, putting it back together. You're going to learn about troubleshooting and repair. You're going to learn how to build a custom carry Glock and an advanced custom carry Glock that can even be used for competition. You'll learn about all the aspects of barrels and sights and grip modifications and how to do a professional trigger job. All of this is included in the Certified Glocksmith course from the American Gunsmithing Institute. And it includes, as I said, over 17 hours of video instruction, notes, testing, certification, and the patch that you'll be able to wear with pride to show that you know everything there is about building custom Glock pistols. In fact, is backed by a 1-year money-back guarantee, because I know that you can study this course and become a totally competent Glocksmith. So again, take the course, enroll, study it all, take the course, take your test, get your certification, and wear the patch, because you'll be able to show it off with pride, saying, I truly understand Glock pistols, and I can customize and modify them, and even look at my beautiful guns, and they'll totally work.